10 benefits of green apple. 1. Rich in nutrients. Green apples are packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and dietary fiber. 2. Dietary fiber. The fiber content aids digestion, promotes gut health, and helps prevent constipation. 3. Low in calories. Green apples are a low-calorie snack option, making them suitable for weight management and healthy snacking. 4. Blood sugar regulation. The soluble fiber, pectin, can help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugars. 5. Heart health. The combination of fiber and antioxidants in green apples may contribute to improved heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and supporting overall cardiovascular function. 6. Hydration. With a high water content, green apples can help maintain hydration levels and support bodily functions. 7. Oral health. Chewing apples stimulates saliva production, aiding in maintaining oral hygiene and reducing the risk of tooth decay. 8. Antioxidant protection. Green apples contain antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenol that help protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 9. Immune support. Vitamin C in green apples supports the immune system and helps the body fight off infections. 10. Skin health. The vitamin A content in green apples promotes healthy skin by contributing to cell growth and repair. Remember that while green apples offer these potential benefits, consuming a variety of fruits and vegetables is essential for a well-rounded diet. If you have specific health concerns or dietary requirements, consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. Thank you for watching this video, and to watch such informative videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon button so that the notification of upcoming videos can reach you.